Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is CAIRA. For those of you who are new here, I welcome you. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and sharing with you guys a sponsorship that was given to me. This sponsorship is kudos to Hotlogic, where they sent me over a Hotlogic mini oven in the color of purple. So if you're interested in learning about this product, stay tuned. So with this product, there are a lot of great things that I like about it, which is why I wanted this sponsorship. And so one of those things is that I take lunch with me basically 4 times a week. If I do eat out, it's on Fridays, and it just saves me from having to bring something. So with all of my meal prepping and meal planning that I've been doing lately, this product is going to come in such handy, especially because not only can I use it at work, when I do go on vacation, I will be bringing this with me and allowing, like our food to be heat up in this, because we will be getting food from different places and coming back to the resort room, and of course wanting to indulge more in our food. So with that being said, let me unbox this product for you all, show you, and the links will be in my description box down below for this product, as well as my code. And I will list my code here at the bottom of the screen for the remainder of the unboxing, just so that you have time to write it down, and also so that you know that this is a good product. So let's go ahead and unbox it here. Okay, so what I have here is a Hotlogic mini oven. This is in the color purple. So what I want to say is I will have a code along with the link down in my description box down below, so that you all can order one of these for yourself. I think that this is honestly really great, because I definitely am tired of using microwaves at work. I'm also tired of trying to think of things that I can meal prep that are gonna be hot for me to reheat back up and eat at work. So inside is the purple mini oven by Hotlogic here. So if I take it out of the packaging, it's literally the size of like a lunchbox. It comes with a carrier where I can hold it right here. It also has the zipper part right here. And look at that. On the inside, there are some great items that come with it. So here's the inside. It comes with Tupperware, so a top and the actual container. And then it also comes with some instructions, so like tasty tips and recipes, and it's a quick start guide in here that's just gonna talk about like how it works, which is you're gonna put food in the Hotlogic, zip it up and plug it in, unzip, enjoy, holds temperature for up to 12 hours. It tells you like what kind of containers are gonna help when using this product right here. And then there's also your cooking tips over here, so that'd be really great, and like known to fit some things that are going to fit in here: lean cuisines, stofers, michelinis, Weight Watchers. Yeah, so some cooking tips that they give you is for meat, vegetables, pasta, one-pot meals and soups, sandwiches, and pizza. So that's a great thing. They also give you the care and cleaning on how to do that. And that's just to unplug it, allow it to get to room temperature, so let it cool off, and then just using a damp cloth or paper towel and a mild cleanser to clean the surface, and just spray it into the cloth and then wipe it down, and then just never submerge it in hot water. And then they have a couple different recipes that they share here, which is really great, because these are some quick and easy recipes at that. And then it just gives it to you in Spanish. At the bottom of this is the actual heater. So that's the part right here that you guys are seeing. You're gonna place your food in here just like this with the top on, and you're gonna close it and plug it up. And like I said, let this heat up for about 2 hours. It's gonna keep your food nice and warm for up to at least 12 hours. So if you decide that you're not hungry at the time that you go to lunch and you want to eat it later, you're not hungry or whatever, there you go. So I'm really glad that they sent me this product. Thank you so much to Hotlogic for sending over this product. I cannot wait to put this to good use as far as cooking something in it, and I hopefully can put a clip in the end of this video to show you all how this exactly works. So I'm really thankful. The color is purple. Like I said, we can zip it up. It's just like a lunchbox. So if there's anything else that you want to take in here, I think it would be great if you could fit it in here, because you have your container, but you also want to make sure that it zips. So thank you so much once again to Hotlogic. Guys, the code will be in my description box down below, as well as the link, so that you all can go over and get whichever one it is you would like. For the Hotlogic mini oven, they have plenty of colors that you guys see here. They also have the Hotlogic Mini Oven XP, which looks like it has like a little more room. And then they have the Hotlogic Max Oven, which kind of looks like it's good for like some casserole dishes and stuff. And then they have some accessories to go with it. And then they actually have the actual HeatDeck Pro break room oven. That'd be cool, especially if like people want to have their stuff getting heat up. So like I said, everything will be in my description box down below. Thank you once again to Hotlogic for sending me this and sponsoring me in this video that I can easily heat up my food at work with, and the fact that it came with a container, some recipe ideas, as well as some tips for cooking. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you all look in my description box down below for the code as well as that link, so that you all can go and order yourself one today. There is multiple colors that you can buy, multiple different types, and of course if there's companies or whatever that have the need for these to be able to heat you guys' break rooms up, they have those as well. So thank you once again. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please consider hitting the subscription button down below, as it is free, and I would love to have you here on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright y'all, so the next day I was finally able to get some footage for you all. I made turkey meatloaf, some angel hair, garlic and herb pasta, and some mashed potatoes. I had some leftovers, so I decided to take some the next day with me to work, so I packaged it up, and I want to show you guys how the Hotlogic works. This right here is very true to what it says. I prepped my meal prep for the next day for lunch. I went and plugged it up around 10:45 in the morning. My lunch is normally at 11:15, but this day I knew that I was going to take a late lunch, and so I heated it up and ate it 2 hours later, so at 12:30. And the heat on the inside from heating up my meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and angel hair pasta was great. The temperature was great. The food was heated up. I didn't have to go and put it in the microwave. I didn't have to make it extra greasy, and it wasn't too bad. Even for the noodles, everything was heated up to perfection. Okay y'all, so the Hotlogic, it works great. My lunch is heating up for when I come back. It's been 2 hours, so I'm ready to eat.